Yo, what up, people? Welcome to my video. Thank you for tuning in. Yo, if you haven't did so yet, please subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification button you'll know when I put up another video. You know what I mean? Also, as well, yo, if you haven't checked out my website, guys, please click the link in my profile and check out my website, where I have tons of amazing information that can possibly help you and your family. But welcome to my video, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Before I get started again, this is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I am not a lawyer and I am not a financial advisor. I'm just here to share information with we the people. And I don't give legal advice. You know what I'm saying? So boom. Let's get into it, guys. As you all know, man, this system has done a very good job of brainwashing everybody, thinking that the government can take your rights away. That's given to you by the Most High. You know what I'm saying? Or whatever God you pray to. You know what I mean? The government cannot. You know what I'm saying? You are born with inalienable rights. You know what I'm saying? That's given to you by your Creator, and nobody can take those away from you. You know what I'm saying? But in this system and in the government and through television, not television, but television, everybody thinks that, the GOV can just do anything they want to them and there's no repercussions for that. You know what I'm saying? Everybody thinks that, police can just pull you over and just violate you like they do a lot of people. And you're supposed to just take that. You know what I'm saying? It all has to do with your status, man. You know what I mean? It all has to do with your status. When you come up in their system, where are you coming up under in their system, in those codes? Are you coming up under the black codes? Are you coming up under the white codes? Are you coming up as a U.S. citizen? You know what I'm saying? Now, U.S. citizens are actually, they are foreigners on their own land. If you're a U.S. citizen, you are a foreigner. You know what I'm saying? The U.S. citizen status was only supposed to use for people from that wanted to get some type of status here in America that came from other countries. That status was not made for people who actually were born here on this landmass called United States of America. That was never made for us. You know what I'm saying? That status was never made for us. But through trickery and lies, they have brainwashed into everybody thinking that they are U.S. citizens when you are not. You know what I'm saying? Everybody that's born in this landmass is a national. Okay, so we're going to get into some codes. You know what I mean? We're going to get into some codes. United States codes. These are codes that you can use if your rights have been violated by public officials, police officers. All these people work for you. You know what I'm saying? People in GOV, any public official, you can use this against that violates your rights. All right. So these are remedies of people when rights are violated. These are the U.S. codes, man. So I'm gonna go through some of them. All right. So we got USC 182382, misprison of treason. All right. Whoever has knowledge of treason conceals and does not make known the same to some judge is guilty of treason for contempt against the sovereign and shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 7 years or both. USC 18201, bribery of any public official directly or indirectly gives, offers, or promise anything of value to any person to influence any official act. Title, let's see, this is USC 18, title 241, conspiracy against rights. If two or more persons conspire to injure, oppress, threaten, or intimidate any person in any state, in a free exercise or enjoyment of any right shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 10 years or both. See if it'll let me put to the next. We're going to go to USC 18242, deprivation of rights under color of law. See, this is what they use when they pull you over. You know what I'm saying? They're using color of law. This is how they are identifying people when they pull them over at traffic stops. You know what I'm saying? White, black, these are all color of law. These are not nationalities. These are not um true statuses. You know what I'm saying? These are all you know, color of law. So deprivation of rights under color of law, whoever under color of any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom willfully subjects any person in any state, the deprivation of any right shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 1 year or both. All right. Then we got USC 182071. Whoever willfully or unwillfully conceals, removes, or mutilates, obliterate, or destroys or attempts to do so documents filed, deposit with any clerk or officer of any court shall be fined or imprisoned not more than 3 years or both. Then you got USC title 18 section 2076. The clerk is to file. Whoever being a clerk willfully refuses or neglects to make or forward any report, certificate, statement, or document as required by law shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 1 year or both. You know, make sure you write down these laws. You know what I'm saying? Because these are going to be very important. You know, a lot of times when you come in contact with police, they use all the time. They use color of law, man. Black is the worst status you can have as a U.S. citizen. You know what I'm saying? Um, you have no rights at all being black. You know what I'm saying? And this is why they feel like, you know, people are, they treat us like children because we want to call each other colors. You know what I'm saying? White, black. These are not nationalities. You know what I'm saying? You have to have a nationality in order to be tied. Your nationality ties you to the land. You know what I'm saying? The nationality ties you to the land. You need to have a nationality. If you run around talking about you're a U.S. citizen and you're black and you white, you don't have a nationality and you are a foreigner on your own land. This is why they can do what they do at traffic stops. You know what I'm saying? Busting out people windows, dragging people out of vehicles, you know, just doing any types of craziness to people at traffic stops. You know, even if you do um, know a little bit of your rights at these traffic stops, it can still go wrong because of your status when you're pulling up in the system. Whatever code you come up under in this system, that's what's going to give them the authority over you. You know what I'm saying? If you coming up, like I said, if you coming up as a U.S. citizen, black or white, black is the worst. You know what I'm saying? You have no rights. Now, white, you got a little tiny bit coming up in the white status. You know what I mean? But if you come up under that black status, you can forget it, man. You better hope that police officer is not having a bad day because once he sees your status and you coming up U.S. citizen and all that, man, it's a wrap. It's a dub. Like you better hope he's not having a bad day, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? You do not want to come up under definitely not the black status. None of these color of law statuses, but you know, you definitely don't want to come up under that black status. So let's continue on. USC 42, Section 1983, Civil Rights Actions for Deprivation of Rights. Every person who under color of any statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom or usage of any state subjects or causes to be subject any person within the jurisdiction thereof to the deprivation of any rights, privilege, or immunity secured by the Constitution and law shall be liable to the party injured in the action at law. USC 42, 1985, conspiracy to interfere with civil rights. If two or more persons in any state or territory conspires for the purpose of depriving either directly or indirectly any person's rights, the parties so injured or deprived may have an action for the recovery of damages against any one or more of the conspirators. So guys, make sure you write these down. USC 42, 1986. Action for neglect to prevent. Every person who having knowledge that any of the wrong conspire to be done or are about to be committed and having to prevent or aid in preventing the commission of the same neglects or refuses to do so, if such wrongful act to be committed shall be liable to party injured. And these are the laws you definitely want to write down. You know what I'm saying? I will go over them slowly. Make sure you write these down. You can look them up on Google. And always have these, somewhere where you can just reference them if something happened to you. You know what I'm saying? And what you want to do is, once you understand how you've been violated, you take these and you tell Chat GPT to write you a letter. You know what I'm saying? And you reach out to the proper channels. You reach out to the proper government channels. You know what I'm saying? Your people you want to get in contact with issues like that, with the police and all that, is your state attorney, their attorney general, United States Attorney General. Reach out to everybody, man. You know what I'm saying? The mayor. You know what I mean? I don't know about the chief of police. You can reach out to him, but they're not gonna really do nothing. You know what I'm saying? Who else? Trying to think. I think that's it. The state attorney, the attorney, the U.S. Attorney General, your state attorney. Yeah, those are like the people you want to reach out to. You know what I'm saying? When you're having issues like that, when somebody violates your rights, and then if they don't do anything, you just take it to, you know what I'm saying, the next step, man. Maybe file a lawsuit or take it to federal court, or you know what I'm saying, like something like that. Like I said, I'm not a lawyer and I don't give legal advice. This is just my opinion and I'm just sharing information. But guys, if you want, make sure you write down these laws. Very important. I'll go slow. But yeah, that's my take in this video, guys. If you haven't did so yet, please comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. And leave your comments below if you have any questions. I'll answer you back if I can help you in some type of way, you know what I mean? But like I said, I really don't deal with, any type of legal situations or nothing like that. Because my thing is, if they don't have jurisdiction, if there's no injured party, then you know what I'm saying, there's no injured party, or you didn't do anything to cause harm to somebody. I'm not even trying to be in their courtrooms at all. You know what I'm saying? Not unless they throw me in jail or something like that. But um, I'm not worried about none of that as well either. But please comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification button and leave your comments, guys, if you have any questions. Peace. I'm out.